Hello everyone, welcome back to the show. Today we're going to do a case unboxing of the Hot Wheels Premium Series, code M, FPY86 if you see it in stores. 10 cars in the case. Let's open it up and see what we have inside. First car out. This is the new for 2025 car culture Ronin Run 2. 5 cars are in this set. This is a Nissan Skyline GTR R32 in yellow. And of course, rubber tires. And we got 2 in this case. 1 of 5. The second car out of this set is the Mad Mike Mazda RX-3 wagon. 3 of 5 card number. Two of these as well. Love the card art as well. The third car out of the case, the second one in the set, is the 07 Honda Civic Type R. Beautiful white color. Details on front and back. Rubber tires as well. We got 2 out of this case as well. The next car out of the case, 4 or 5 out of the series, is the Lancer Evolution. Nine. Amazing card art on this as well. Two out of the case. And the last card out of the case, 5 of 5 in the series, is the 89 Toyota Supra. And we also received 2 of these out of the case as well. No chase out of this case, but still, for all the amazing cars, card art, and colors, this case gets 2 thumbs up from us. We thank you for watching. If you like this, please like, please subscribe, follow, and share. Happy hunting to everyone, and more to come.